Hi, it's Mama G and Web3. My name is Jill Bentham. I go by the name of Mama G. I'm a grandmother of 4 months and a parent, a Christian of 45 years. And I'm here because I have a passion for the children of this generation who are growing up in the digital age. As a Christian, I know that there are things that concern me and you about the things that our children are seeing and exposed to, and the algorithms that are sucking them into addictive behaviors and loops of addiction through dopamine hits that they're getting through smartphone use and the like. We hear a lot about that nowadays. And so rather than engaging with that conversation in any detail, because there are experts out there are neurophysiologists and there are psychologists who are able to add to that conversation with all the research that's backing our new concerns. I want to come to you as a mom, as a faith person, as someone who believes that God has given wisdom in the Bible that has enabled us as families to model a way of life that will equip our children in the way they should go. And as we happen to live in the 21st century in a digital age where there's exponential change and where we can barely keep up with the latest level of technology, invention, and evolution, I know that the good old-fashioned values of love and of hope and of faith that will supply our children with the nurture they need and the love and the family support can come into its own in an age where we are all the more remote and distanced from each other if we don't put some intentional place into our lives where we can make sure that we talk about these things and that we equip our children to make good choices. So I want you to know that you are very welcome on a conversation that I'll be hosting on May the 3rd at 2:30 to 3:30 British Summer Time on Eventbrite. I'm going to put the link below in this screening. And I want you to take that link and think about the copy in that advert there. Will it appeal to you? Will it appeal to someone you know? Can you forward that? Can you share? Can you invite people that you know who are local or remote from you, who are maybe in the extended family that you have or the churches that you belong, where this conversation can be benefit to so many more people than just you and I. We can have that conversation on Zoom. It'll be live, it'll be recorded, and I am hoping that that will in itself be a valuable experience for you, but also it will give you an opportunity to hear about an exciting venture that I am starting as Mama G and Web3. And as your host, I will be aligning you with my material on the YouTube channel called Mama G and Web3. I've been working very hard on my sound quality and improving on some of those things that you will have the very best experience, and we will all get to be in the room together on May the 3rd. So I'm really excited to meet with you. I want you to know I'm expecting you to show up with camera, with microphone, ready to share your pain, ready to share your gain. And we will be able to go away from that conversation with a very clear idea how we as Christians can effectively support one another in our parenting, in our caring, grandparenting, and in our neighbourly influence, wherever we happen to be. That will be a kingdom approach to loving and protecting and serving and equipping our children so that they don't need to bow out of the digital age. They can be equipped to flourish in it, but they will also not have to throw away their ability to make sound decisions and to say no to some stuff. So I invite you, and I'll see you in there very soon on May the 3rd. Take care. I look forward to meeting you.